In the world of autism support, many parents search for answers, not out of desperation, but out of a love so fierce that it propels them into research, into sleepless nights, into trying to understand the biochemical storms their child may be experiencing. Today, we explore something important: the balance of nutrients that support the brain, the gut, and the pathways that help our children process the world. We'll look at how to approach these nutrients wisely, with calm balance and clarity. Methylation is not a trend. It's a biological process every cell depends on, from DNA repair, to detoxification, to neurotransmitter creation, to the energy our children use to think, move, and feel. For many autistic children, methylation can be sluggish, underfueled, or imbalanced. That's why so many parents explore nutrients like methylfolate, methylcobalamin B12, and sometimes leucovorin, a prescription form of Phenylalanine acid. These nutrients can help the methylation engine turn, but like any engine, too much fuel, or the wrong mixture, can flood the system. Methylation nutrients must be balanced. One parent may give folate and see calming and clarity. Another may give the same dose and find their child becomes restless or overstimulated. The reason: a child's biochemical pathways are unique. Folate increases methylation pressure, B12 increases methylation speed, and phenylalanine acid changes the backup routes. This is why parents should always work with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially these. Methylation does not work alone. It is surrounded by other systems. And sometimes these systems are under more stress than methylation itself. This is why some supportive nutrients can be so powerful when chosen carefully. Before we name specifics, a note: amino acids aren't like vitamins. They can act as signals, small messengers that nudge the nervous system toward calm and regulation. That's why choosing the right ones matters, and why too many at once can overwhelm sensitive pathways. Taurine, a stabilizer of the nervous system. Serine, a gentle supporter of both neurotransmitters and methylation. Lysine, a helper in serotonin balance. Threonine supports glycine and gut integrity. Tryptophan feeds serotonin and melatonin. Phenylalanine supports dopamine pathways. Histidine helps balance histamine and antioxidant defenses. These nutrients don't force the system. They support it, quietly, steadily. Alpha-Lipoic Acid regenerates glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Selenium activates the enzymes that use glutathione. NAC, N-acetylcysteine, provides the raw material the body needs to build glutathione. It supports detoxification, reduces oxidative stress, and helps regulate glutamate, the brain's primary excitatory neurotransmitter. L-Carnitine brings fatty acids into the mitochondria to be burned as fuel. ALA supports mitochondrial enzyme function, and selenium stabilizes the antioxidant shield. Together, they form a metabolic triangle that supports energy production, detoxification, and neuroprotection. Arginine supports circulation and ammonia detox. Lysine helps mitochondrial repair. And glutamine fuels both the gut lining and neurotransmitter balance. Together, these nutrients help the body clear oxidative stress, so methylation is not carrying the entire load alone. Boswellia Serrata reduces inflammation, especially in the gut and brain. Taurine and histidine help modulate inflammation, while glutamine supports gut integrity, where much of the immune system lives. These are not stimulants. They are tools that create space. Space for healing, space for clarity, space for methylation to work more efficiently. Parents often feel pressure to try everything at once. But the truth is, the body prefers simplicity. A small, balanced set: taurine, serine, lysine, alpha-lipoic acid, selenium, boswellia, and sometimes NAC, can support the same systems as long supplement lists without overwhelming a sensitive child. Because taking every single compound from the full system map may overload the body, sending too many signals, too many inputs, and confusing the feedback loops the body relies on to heal. This journey is not about taking everything. It's about discovering what works for your child, their biology, their story. Every child's path is different. What helps one child may overwhelm another, and no supplement replaces understanding, presence, or love. This video is for education only. Before trying any nutrient, whether it is methylfolate, methyl B12, leucovorin, NS, taurine, alpha-lipoic acid, or anything else, always talk with a doctor who understands your child's medical and developmental needs. There are many options. Not all are necessary, and none are universal. What matters is finding what resonates with your child's biochemistry, their nervous system, their life. When we approach this journey with patience, balance, and guidance, we give our children the best chance to thrive.